This single-story residence offers a contemporary reimagining of pavilion-style living, sensitively integrated within its sloping coastal site. Anchored by natural rock formations and supported by a prominent V-shaped steel column, the house appears to float above the landscape. Divided into a series of distinct pavilions, the design provides separate living spaces and dedicated guest wings, balancing privacy and flexibility within a cohesive architectural form. Drawing on the nostalgia of coastal living, the design evokes elements of traditional beachside dwellings while offering a sophisticated reinterpretation of contextual forms. Central to the plan is a multifunctional Kross that organizes the layout along north-south and east-west axes. This spatial intersection, reminiscent of the local Mount Martha boardwalk, creates an experiential journey through the house and site. The in-between zone formed by this Kross functions as both an internal breezeway and an outdoor deck, facilitating a seamless connection between interior and exterior environments. This transitional space enables the house to expand or contract in response to seasonal conditions and changing functional needs, exemplifying flexibility in modern coastal living. The material palette is dominated by timber, extensively used to clad both the external walls and interior surfaces. This approach fosters a strong sense of cohesion between the built form and the surrounding natural landscape. Beneath the floating structure, the undercroft has been reimagined as a secret garden, a secluded and contemplative space that utilizes a typically underused area. This garden enhances the house's relationship to the landscape, creating opportunities for informal, spontaneous activities and reinforcing the dwelling's connection to the natural environment. A series of operable sliding doors extends the living areas onto a triangular northern deck, allowing for true indoor-outdoor living. When opened, these doors blur the boundaries between the interior and exterior spaces, enhancing the sense of connectedness to the site. By positioning the main floor at the highest point of the site, the design captures sweeping views of the Mount Martha foreshore, while also accommodating an 18-meter lap pool beneath the house, extending along the north-south axis to the rear yard. The design promotes sustainability, not only in its environmental considerations, but also in encouraging an active lifestyle. Movement and exploration are facilitated through a series of pathways that engage the site. Sustainability features include timber-framed windows, double glazing throughout, a 20,000-liter water tank, solar panels, and battery storage. The house is constructed using sustainable, locally sourced materials, with an emphasis on timber cladding, the elimination of plasterboard, and the use of low-VOC finishes. A native landscape garden has been designed in collaboration with MUD Office, incorporating coastal plant species to support and promote local flora and fauna. This approach fosters ecological resilience and contributes to the re-establishment of the local environment, enhancing both the sustainability and the experiential quality of the project.